This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox touchscreen on laptop. First, confirm your laptop indeed features a touchscreen display. This is crucial for the entire process. Next, head over to the Microsoft Store and download the official Roblox application. It's a quick and straightforward installation. Finally, take a moment to check your laptop's display settings. Sometimes, optimizing these for touch can significantly enhance your gaming experience, making interactions smoother and more responsive right from the start. Once Roblox is installed, launch the application and choose any game you wish to play, ensuring it's one that supports touch input for the best experience. After the game loads, look for the in-game settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Within these settings, you'll need to find and activate the touchscreen mode or tablet mode option. Enabling this will switch the game's control scheme from keyboard and mouse to touch, allowing you to interact directly with the screen. Now that touch controls are active, let's master the basic gestures. A single finger tap is your primary interaction method, perfect for clicking buttons, selecting items, or interacting with objects. To adjust your view, use a two-finger pinch gesture. Pinch in to zoom out and spread your fingers apart to zoom in. For character movement or camera rotation, simply drag a single finger across the screen in the desired direction. These intuitive gestures make navigating the Roblox world seamless. To truly optimize your Roblox touchscreen experience, a few tips can make a big difference. Firstly, always keep your laptop screen clean. Smudges can interfere with precise touch recognition. For games requiring more accuracy, like those with intricate building or combat, consider using a stylus. It can offer much finer control than your finger. Lastly, dive into the in-game settings and experiment with touch sensitivity. Finding your ideal setting will ensure your movements feel natural and responsive, enhancing your overall enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.